Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the PM Silver Bullet for Friday, May 24th. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the Kraken Silver Bullet Pro and see where all the liquidity's at. Obviously we're way high today, up in the top high. So Asia, London, kill zones, all that stuff can get removed here. Let's turn off Asia, London, kill zone. Let's see here. AM session. Sell side and buy side are still intact. Lunch is still intact. And our PM is done now. So, all right. So that's kind of what we're at. That's what we got. All right. See if this goes like this. Now I'm going to turn on the Kraken time cycles, and I have this set for the session cycles. So the session cycle right here is the AM, New York AM session. So that's that. It is different, a little bit different times for time cycles than our liquidity session times based lines. So two schools of thought. Obviously the AM buy side is the same high here, so confluence of both, which is great. Obviously we take out these. My thought is I want to take this off, and I'll draw it on here. I want to come up here, take out this liquidity here, and then I'd like to see, you know, a breaker formed, and then, you know, down here. Okay, down here. That's kind of where I want to go. That's what I'm looking at. My plan. When I see this consolidation, I want this, all this liquidity built up right here, this liquidity built up down here. I want to see it take it and then down. That's what I'm looking for. I do like session liquidity, but I need SMT as well, so we'll be looking for that to go short. I always need SMT in my trades. I've found that through backtesting, I am not taking a trade without SMT. For me, I don't want to. So if there's no SMT, I'm not taking a trade. All right, let's make this a little higher for now. Well, there we go. Take it out. There we go. All right. So let's see if there's SMT with anything right now. Nope. 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 There is SMT right here with a yes. Okay, so let's mark that here. Let's mark that here. SMT with a yes. See, that's higher than this one, and here it's lower. Let's move this up like this. Okay. All right. See how this reacts here. See, what I've been looking for here is I want to see it come down. I need a breaker, right? don't want to use this breaker. I'd like to see, you know, this inversion come down. I don't like this long wick, so I don't really like that. That kind of tells me this fair value gap supporting price, that we may go up higher, and if we take this high, then this SMT is invalidated. Okay, why don't I just use this breaker? We did it. Well, this wick throws it. It ruins it for me. Now, if this closed down here, absolutely, I'm taking that and going short. But this long wick, about the same size as the body, it's not doing it for me. It's causing me reason to hesitate. I know you're going to say, hey, this is hindsight. Yeah, it is hindsight. But as I was trading it, I didn't like that candle. There you go. So this SMT, I'll leave it on there, but now I'm looking for, I'll need another SMT. So we'll look again when we form a swing. Okay, let's form a swing. So let's look and see on ES. All right, well, ES, we have SMT right here with ES. Still got SMT going on, which is awesome. Same asset, so we're still getting SMT with ES. So we can leave it. We can leave it. Okay, so still like it. It's still validated. Now, what I'd want to see is a breaker form. Right? I want to see this. I really want to see this, the fair value gap, violated. In all honesty, why is this like this? Let's do this like this. Okay, thank you. I want to see this turn into an inversion, because right now this supported price to go higher. I need this broken. And at that case, I'm going to want to see this is a breaker then. So I want to see this. I want to come down here. Oh, close below, close below, close below. Oh, come on. Close. Okay, it did close. Okay, now if it comes up here, I'll buy. I'm sorry, I'll sell. I'll take a trade if it comes up. Oh, perfect. Sell. Okay. All right. Let's see. This is 16. What am I aiming for here? Let's pull a fib from here to here. And let's see where we're aiming for here. All right. Is this 50 points? Even 50 points? Sure. 2. 16. 16. It's above the breaker, above the thing, and a thing. We can actually lower this to 12. Why am I lowering it to 12? Let me just show you. 3 PD rays, right? You got a breaker. I got a fair value inversion. This is now an inversion, so let's call it like it is. Let's make this an inversion. Inversion fair value gap here. And then you see a little pink right here? That's fair value gap too. So I've got 3 right here going to help push price down. Should. If it violates that, I want to be out as soon as I can. So I can actually go like right here. We'll keep it at 12. Because if it violates those 3, it's obviously taking out this high. And I don't need to have my stop up here to keep taking it out. That's the way I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it like there are 3 PD rays holding my price down. If price wants to go up through those, it's violating 3. I'm obviously completely wrong. I don't need to give more back. You know what I mean? And aim for 2.5. I like that. That's fine. Let's move our stops. Let's go here at 12. And let's go here with, oops, I need to go down. Let's go down here at there. 50, and even 50, I believe. Yeah. 50 points. Okay. All right, let's see how this trades out. Now it takes out these lows. I want to go break even, just because it could take these lows out. It could come. It could do this. It could take these lows out here, and then it could come back up and then down. And if that's the case, you know, it might take me out. But if it takes these out, I'm gonna go break even. That's what I'm doing. Didn't quite take those out yet. And there's a pullback into this fair value gap, into this order block here. Is that going to hold price? Question of the day. Is this order block going to hold price down? That's what I want to see. And so far, I'm going to say yes. So far, I like that order block. Order block's holding. Keep it around. Come on, take out that notch. There you go. Yeah, I'm still going to break even. Go to the top of this order block. It's held so far. You know what? I'll go to the mean threshold of that order block. Why not? right. So we got 1, 2, 3. So that's kind of where I'm at now. So that's good. I'm counting the PD arrays, which are fair value gaps for me. Order block. Expecting that order block to hold. I'm going to go here. Expecting this order block to hold. Wouldn't want to see that order block violated. Okay, there you go. That works. Well, see how far it goes here. Okay. All right. All right. Well, on this PM session, we took out lunch buy side and AM buy side liquidity, which is also the session cycle high. We took that out, and we had SMT. Well, price came down. Let me go zoom in here. Price came down, and we had this fair value gap, and it wicked into that and supported that. That said, hey, wait, hold on. This long wick, we don't know if it's gonna respect it. We really want to see it violate that fair value gap. It didn't. It came up, so it took out this high again. We still had SMT, same SMT that we had before, with the same ES, right? So now we still want to see this inversion fair value gap, this turn into an inversion. We had a breaker block here, so we needed them to go trade back into. So we also had a fair value gap. So when we entered, we had 3 PD arrays supporting price to go lower. Price came down, created an order block here, and it just respected that order block. And then finally, hit our TP. Could have gone lower, could have gotten, 60 points, 65 points, but that was our target. We had aimed for 50, and yeah, there's your PM silver bullet for Friday, May 24th.